Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, we are dealing now with Chemistry Lesson 5, Quarter 2 of Chemistry, Grade 11, General Science. And it is about scientific discoveries, pasteurization, a milestone in food safety, intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define pasteurization and explain its process. Letter B. Discuss the scientific contribution of Louis Pasteur in discovering pasteurization. Letter C. Explain the impact of pasteurization on food safety and public health. Letter D. Differentiate between pasteurization and sterilization. Letter E. Relate the principle of pasteurization into real-life applications in food and beverage industries. Number 1. Historical background. A. In the mid-19th century, food spoilage was a major problem. Milk, wine, and beer often spoiled quickly, leading to waste and sometimes severe illnesses. Letter B. Louis Pasteur in 1822 to 1895, a French chemist and microbiologist, investigated why wine and beer turned sour. Letter C. He discovered that microorganisms were responsible for spoilage, and heating liquids to a specific temperature could kill harmful microbes without affecting the taste and quality. This method became known as pasteurization, named in his honor. Number 2. What is pasteurization? Letter A. Definition. Pasteurization is the process of heating food or liquid to a specific temperature for a set period of time and then rapidly cooling it in order to kill harmful microorganisms. Letter B. It does not sterilize, kill all microbes, but it reduces harmful pathogens to safe levels. Letter C. Commonly applied to milk, juices, beer, wine, and canned goods. Number 3. How pasteurization works. Letter A. The process relies on controlled heating, low temperature, long time. So LT, 60 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. And then high temperature, short time, HTST, 72 degrees for 15 seconds, used for milk. And then we have ultra high temperature, UHT, 135 degrees for 1 to 2 seconds, and then it produces shelf stable milk. Letter B. After heating, liquids are cooled quickly to prevent bacterial regrowth. Number 4. Difference between pasteurization and sterilization. Pasteurization kills harmful pathogens but not all microorganisms. In sterilization, kills all microorganisms, including spores. Pasteurization preserves taste and nutrients better. Sterilization may alter taste and texture. Pasteurization, common in milk, juices, beer, and wine. Sterilization, used in surgical tools, canned goods. Number 5. Impact on food safety and medicine. A. Food safety. Pasteurization greatly reduces foodborne diseases like tuberculosis, salmonellosis, and listeriosis once spread through milk. Letter B. Public health. It became a cornerstone of modern hygiene practices, improving life expectancy and reducing child mortality. Letter C. Scientific influence. Pasteur's discovery supported the germ theory of disease, the idea that microorganisms cause illness. Letter D. Industry. Enabled mass production and global distribution of safe dairy and beverages. Letter number 6. Real-life applications. Letter A. Milk. Ensures safe consumption and longer shelf life. Letter B. Juices. Prevents contamination with harmful bacteria such as E. coli. Letter C. Wine or beer. Prevents spoilage while keeping flavor intact. Letter D. Cosmetics or pharmaceuticals. Some liquid preparations undergo pasteurization-like treatments for safety. Number 7. Key takeaways for learners. A. Pasteurization is one of the most important scientific discoveries in food chemistry. Letter B. It balances food safety with preservation of quality. Letter C. Louis Pasteur's work not only changed the food industry but also laid the foundation for modern microbiology and medicine. Challenging question number 1. Why is pasteurization important even if it does not kill all microorganisms? Pasteurization is important even if it does not kill all microorganisms because A. It destroys harmful pathogens. Pasteurization targets disease-causing microorganisms like Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli that can make people seriously ill and allowing some harmful microbes to remain. Letter B, it reduces microbial load. By lowering the number of bacteria present, pasteurization slows down food spoilage and extends the shelf life of products like milk, juice, and canned goods. Letter C, it ensures safety without changing food quality. Unlike sterilization, which kills all microbes, but can alter taste and nutrients, pasteurization is a balance. It makes food safe while preserving flavor and nutrition. Letter D, it supports public health. This process has saved millions of lives by preventing outbreaks of milk-borne and food-borne diseases before refrigeration and modern packaging were common. Pasteurization protects people from harmful bacteria while keeping food nutritious and palatable, even if it does not completely sterilize the product. MCQ for Chemistry Lesson 5, Scientific Discoveries, Pasteurization, a milestone in food safety. Number 1. Pasteurization was developed by Louis Pasteur primarily to address spoilage in which product? A. Milk, B. Beer and wine, C. Cheese, D. Meat. Number 2. The main purpose of pasteurization is to A. Sterilize food completely, B. Kill all microorganisms, C. Destroy harmful pathogens while preserving quality, letter D. Improve food color and texture. Number 3. Which of the following microorganisms is commonly targeted by milk pasteurization? A. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Letter B. Escherichia coli. C. Clostridium botulinum. Letter D. Aspergillus niger. And then number 4. Pasteurization is considered a milestone in food safety because it, letter A, makes food taste sweeter, B, prevents diseases transmitted through food, letter C, increases the fat content of milk, letter D, enhances the smell of beverages. Number 5. Which method of pasteurization involves heating milk at 72 degrees for 15 seconds? A. Sterilization. B. Batch pasteurization. C. High temperature, short time. HTST. Letter D. Ultra high temperature, UHT. Number 6. Ultra-high temperature, UST pasteurization heats milk at approximately A. 50 degrees for 1 hour, 100 degrees for 15 minutes, 135 degrees for 2 to 5 seconds, letter D, 200 degrees for 30 seconds. Number 7. Why does pasteurization not sterilize food? Letter A. It preserves beneficial bacteria and nutrients. Letter B. It is too expensive to sterilize food. Letter C. Consumers prefer some microbes in milk. Letter D. Sterilization makes food unsafe. Number 8. Which of the following best describes the difference between sterilization and pasteurization? Letter A. Sterilization preserves nutrients better than pasteurization. Pasteurization kills all microbes. Sterilization does not. Letter C. Sterilization kills all microbes. Pasteurization kills only harmful ones. Letter D. Both processes are identical. We will have the next part of our lesson 5.